Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Morrisons Card. Wondering how to use your Morrisons Card? It's simple. If you have a physical card, you can use it directly in any Morrison store. Just scan your card and check out whenever you make a purchase. This allows you to earn reward points and access exclusive discounts. The more you shop, the more points you collect. For online shopping, you can also use your Morrisons Card by linking it to your registered account. Simply log in or sign up to the Morrisons website or app, then connect your card to your profile to start earning points on every online order. You even collect points on every liter of fuel you buy at Morrisons petrol stations. Don't forget to check the points and prices section regularly to see the latest offers and ways to maximize your rewards. Whether you're shopping in store or online, your Morrisons card is your key to saving more every time you shop. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.